girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty. So I'm going to revamp this dress. Yes girl, this used to be a dress. It's really old, and I'm going to turn it into a crop top. So I am taking my pins and I'm just simply going to mark how wide I want the gap to be in the bust area. I believe I want to say it's about 2.5 inches. You can go wider if you want to be a little more risque, you know. And then I also put a pin where I wanted the crop top to start at the bottom. I don't know if you can peep that there. So after I cut off that bottom half, then I focused on the front. Make sure you are cutting a straight line. If you need help, if you want to be more precise with your cut, I suggest using a ruler and get some chalk or some washable markers or something like that that's guaranteed to come off, to use that for your markings. And then you're just going to cut that extra fabric away. So as you see me doing here, I am taking my safety pins now. I end up getting some smaller ones on accident, so I figured I doubled up on them. And this is what I'm doing with the safety pins. I'm just putting them together like that, make like a link, and then I'm going to apply them on the shirt. So now I decided to cut the sleeves some. On this particular garment, the sleeves are pretty long. They were like longer short sleeves, so I decided to cut them to that standard length of short sleeves. I really wanted that t-shirt look, if you feel what I'm saying. And I just took that shirt and folded it in half just to make sure that the length of the sleeves measure up to be the same size. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is what the shirt is looking like. I think it's cute. It's very different, especially for me and my style. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.